If you're anything like me, then you have many fond memories of playing an amazing PS2 game called DarkCloud. DarkCloud for the PS2 was one of the most enjoyable games I have ever experienced. The game had a unique look, feel, and gameplay mechanics that kept me engaged for hours on end. I loved exploring the dungeons, fighting monsters, and collecting various items and weapons to upgrade my characters. But what I really enjoyed was the town building aspect of the game, where I had to acquire pieces of towns in the dungeons and place them on the map to create a functioning and thriving community. While DarkCloud 2 was a decent game in its own right, it didn't quite hit the mark for me. The graphics and gameplay mechanics were tweaked and improved, but it lacked the charm and atmosphere that made the original DarkCloud so enjoyable. From what I can remember, the town building aspect wasn't even present in DarkCloud 2. Despite the disappointment of DarkCloud 2, I've always hoped for a sequel that would capture the same look, feel, and gameplay mechanics as the original. I want to explore new dungeons, battle new monsters, and collect new items while also building towns that are just as challenging and rewarding to create as in the original game. In fact, I'm so excited about the idea of a DarkCloud sequel that I'm currently working on building my own 2D pixel art game in the same vein as the original DarkCloud. My game will feature the core mechanic of acquiring pieces of towns and a dungeon and communicating with the townspeople to determine the best way to arrange those pieces on the map in order to please the townspeople. I'm hoping to capture the same sense of adventure and community building that made DarkCloud such a memorable experience for me. If this sounds interesting to you, please consider subscribing and following along on this journey as I try to develop the game of my dreams. I'll be trying to upload a video each week showing the progress that I've made, and I'll be seeking insight and suggestions from my viewers. Thanks for watching.